Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 1, Session 2, SI Units, Prefixes, and Dimensional Analysis. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to convert measurements using SI prefixes and unit-canceling logic. Listen for these key terms: meter, liter, gram, prefix, conversion factor. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Chemistry calculations are controlled by units. A number without a unit is like a label without a bottle. It may be useful later, but right now it is incomplete. Dimensional analysis turns conversion into a reliable path. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Write the starting value with its unit, multiply by fractions that cancel old units, and check that the final unit matches the question. If the unit doesn't cancel correctly, the setup is wrong even before you calculate. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first. Then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now, let's work an example. Converting milliliters to liters. Convert 375 milliliters to liters. Since 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter, write 375 milliliters times 1 liter per 1,000 milliliters. The milliliter unit cancels, leaving liters. The value is 0.375 liters. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Convert 2.5 kilograms to grams. Since 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, write 2.5 kilograms times 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram equals 2,500 grams. A useful reasonableness check is that kilograms are larger units than grams, so the number of grams should be larger than the number of kilograms. Now answer this self-check. How many liters are in 1,250 milliliters? A strong answer should include 1.25 L. Hint: use 1,000 milliliters equals 1 L. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Convert 0.045 kilograms to grams. Task 2. Convert 18.5 centimeters to meters. Task 3. Explain why 500 milliliters is 0.500 liters, not 500,000 liters. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.